Anyhow, today I'm gonna try and put in some new drawer sliders on our kitchen drawer here. Got these old ones that you can see in there. They're kind of broken down a lot and bent, twisted up. So I had to fix them a few times. The drawer's pretty heavy though, so this rail here is bending. The screws are falling out. Yeah, you can see that these rails are pretty much done.
Hi, Dad.
So we're gonna try and replace these here with these ones here, and then yeah, see if we can get them to fit in there. I might have to do some. Hi, I'm doing a video, my love. What you need?
They took me to there instead of their place.
Go ask them nicely to see if you can go to their world, okay? Ask nicely.
I did.
All right.
And they said no.
Okay.
No,